Honey. My office. So I got some good news. We're going to Florida. Oh, don't make that face. Whole Foods wants you. I'll tell you what. I'll even come down with you. We'll have a little fun in the sun before you start work. Sound good?